help, help, helper, help, helpful, unhelpful, helpless.
To provide advice, money, support, etc. to make it possible or easier for someone to do something.
I wonder if you could help me. I'd like some information about flights to New Zealand. My dad said he would help with the costs of buying a house. I feel that learning English will help my chances of promotion at work.
When someone helps another person.
I was too embarrassed to ask for help. Do you need any help with those boxes? Her parents gave her some help with her bank loan.
Something that you shout when you are in danger.
Help! I'm drowning. No one. No one. Nobody.
No person.
No one told me she was ill. There was no one there. Who was there? No one you would know.
Science. Science.
Science. Science.
Science, scientist, scientific, scientifically.
The study and knowledge of the structure and behavior of natural things in an organized way.
A science course or lesson. A science graduate or teacher. Pure or applied science. Collect. Collect. Collection, collector, collect.
To get and keep things of one type such as stamps or coins as a hobby.
She collects dolls. So when did you start collecting antique glass?
To go to a place and bring someone or something away from it.
I'll collect you from the station. Your shoes will be repaired and ready for you to collect on Thursday.
Terrible. Terrible.
Terrible, terribly.
Very bad, of low quality, or unpleasant.
The weather was terrible. We have just received some terrible news. Kind. Kind. Kindness, kind, unkind, kindly.
Many different types of something.
The cupboard contained all kinds of strange things.
Generous, helpful, and thinking about other people's feelings.
She's a very kind and thoughtful person. It's really kind of you to help us. Please be kind to your sister. Fact. Fact.
Something that you know is true, exists, or has happened.
I don't know all the facts about what happened. I'm not angry that you took my car, it's just the fact that you didn't ask me first. I knew for a fact that she was lying.
Check. Check.
Check. Check.
A piece of paper printed by a bank that you use instead of money to pay for things.
I wrote him a check for £50. I don't have any cash on me, so could I pay by check? Please make your checks payable to the Brighter Toy Shop Limited.
Clown. Clown.
Clown. Clown.
A performer who has special clothes and a painted face and makes people laugh.
A circus clown.
Class. Class.
Class. Class.
A group into which goods, services, or people are put according to their standard.
First or second class mail. A business or economy class ticket. All the vegetables we sell are Class A. Crazy. Crazy. Craziness, crazy.
Stupid or strange.
It's a crazy idea. You're crazy to buy a house without seeing it.
To love someone very much, or to be very interested in something.
Mia's crazy about baseball. Footballer. Footballer. Football, footballer.
Someone who plays football, especially as their job.
Her cousin is a professional footballer.
Duck. Duck.
Duck. Duck.
A bird that lives by water, has webbed feet, a short neck and a large beak.
We took some bread to feed the ducks.
Sorry. Sorry.
Sorry. Sorry.
Used to show sympathy or sadness for a person or situation.
I'm sorry that you had such a difficult journey. We were both sorry to hear you've been ill again. Yours. Yours. Faith, faithful, faithfully.
Used to show that something belongs to or is connected with the person or group of people being spoken or written to.
Is this pen yours? Unfortunately, my legs aren't as long as yours. I've got something of yours.